Want a profile picture that's totally you, created in seconds? WhatsApp's new AI feature lets you generate custom profile pictures with just a text prompt. Today on GadInsider, we're diving into this fun, creative update that's blowing up. Stick around to see how to make your WhatsApp pop. GadInsider, your go-to for tech, gadgets, and game-changing features. WhatsApp just rolled out AI-generated profile pictures for iOS and Android, letting you create unique images without picking a photo. Describe your vibe like space warrior or cute cat in sunglasses, and WhatsApp's AI whips up a custom pic. Let's check out how it works. Here's the deal. Go to WhatsApp settings, tap your profile photo, then hit Edit, then select AI Images. Type a prompt describing your dream picture, and boom, the AI generates it. You can save it as your profile photo or share it in chats. It's rolling out now, so you might already have it. Why is this cool? It's perfect for expressing yourself without using a real photo, and it's super easy. Plus, WhatsApp's AI ensures your creations are private and secure. Expos are buzzing with users sharing wild pictures like neon avatars and fantasy landscapes. Whether you're spicing up your profile or jazzing up a group chat, this feature is a blast. It's part of WhatsApp's push to make messaging more personal, and it's live for most users as of May 2025. GadInsider fam, what AI profile picture are you making first? Drop your wildest prompt in the comments. And if you love tech that sparks creativity, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay locked into GadInsider.